Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Facebook feed. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Chrome and on the search bar, simply type in speed test. And then tap on the first link that is shown to you and check to see if your internet speed is working properly or not. If it's not working properly, then what you can do is simply scroll down your notification bar and then tap on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, tap on general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Facebook. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issue. And next, tap on the delete app, and once that process is complete, try again. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings once again and then tap on general, scroll down, and here you'll find an option that says transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on that and tap on reset once again and then tap on reset network settings. And now all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how to fix your Facebook feed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.